So is this what the floor looks like underneath your Grizzly 50-ton hydraulic press? If so, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to keep that from happening to your press. Okay, so this is the O-ring that it comes with, which is an elastomer, a rubber. I don't know what kind, but you can see it is not very, if I can focus here, it's not very abrasion resistant. It's all torn up. Oh, man. Anyway, I dropped it on the floor. So, this is what you need. It's a size 202. And I went with polyurethane. Why? Because polyurethane is better resistant to oils and that kind of thing. A lot of elastomers do not react very well to different types of oils, unless you pick the exact one. And honestly, I don't know what kind of oil is in there. And also polyurethane is a lot more abrasion resistant. So I got these off of Amazon, but honestly, you can get a polyurethane size 202 anywhere. So that's what I'm going to recommend that you do. So the biggest problem, now you can see I've taken the plastic handle off and I've added this so I can get more leverage. This is the biggest problem with the Grizzly press. There's a little ball in this hole, and if you can't push it tight enough, you get terrible performance. And then the O-ring that's on here that keeps the oil from running out, you know, just gets torn up because it's not the right O-ring. So we're going to go with this O-ring. We're going to put it on there, and it's going to work super great. Anyways, let's do that. All right. So, and the nice thing is I think I bought like a 5-pack, which is something you're going to want to do because this is going to be a wear part. If the first one got chewed up that badly, I imagine the rest of them will also get chewed up. So don't just buy one, I'd buy a couple. Alright, so I got the O-ring on there, and this should last a lot longer than the original one. So I don't know how much oil I've lost, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and put this baby back on the press. Okay. So, the key to getting this thing put back on by yourself, starting with one bolt first. All right, one other thing that you can do, like one other thing you can do before you go into the house in the evening is go ahead, close the valve, just in case, you know, your O-ring is starting to wear, you know, at least your valve's closed. And I think this is the fill port, so maybe I'll take that off, shine a light in there, and see how much is in there. But overall, that is how you replace the O-ring, and if you're having oil all over the ground, that's probably the point at which it is leaking. So I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please hit the like button. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. Anyway, that's all I got this time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.